Hello everyone. So today I was doing something very simple, extremely simple, and I thought I should make a video about this and share it with all of you. And this video is about a little bit about EWW, Emacs web browser, basically the browser that we have in Emacs. Now, today I was trying to copy these hyperlinks from this page. Let us say, this blog post that I wrote at Larsen Career Guide. My objective was to simply copy this web page, and I'll just show you basically. So if I copy this, and if I go back, or maybe I'll just open, let us just go back, and let us just try to paste it here. So basically you can paste something like a web page from this web page in your web browser to your Emacs buffer. Of course, this is fine, but the problem is that I wanted the hyperlinks. Now, there are some ways to do it. Basically, ideally, if you copy a link and you paste it here, or if you copy some HTML with hyperlinks, not really the complete HTML, but I was hoping if I can, convert it as a link. Although you can do it one by one, but that is of course time consuming. Usually when you make a link, you have to use that format to create a hyperlink. You can do it using Control-C, Control-L, and that is of course, for example, you can do Control-C, Control-L, and then you can create a link like this. And of course, it is not really ideal because when you copy paste, it is going to just copy paste the text. So if you're not really using any special package, there are of course few things that you can do, and of course I don't really do it a lot because usually my workflow is from Emacs to other formats, not really the vice versa, but sometimes of course we have to do these things. Now what you can also do is you can take a look at the source code of this particular page, and then you can see here that each and every li there is like a hyperlink which you can parse, but again I'm not really good in these things like parsing. And there is also one more way which is which I hope you will like. It is of course nothing extraordinary, but you might you might be able to do something quick than going to a browser. So good thing about Emacs is that it comes with a browser, and you can of course open your let us just close this. Let us open this Emacs web browser. So you can use EWW and then your URL, and it will open the page for you. So basically what we are looking at here is the entire blog post, basically this post, right? And what I basically need these links. It is already looking slightly better, but of course it is not ideal because even if I copy this, it won't really copy the exact content. It will basically copy it as it is. It is of course not ideal. So I don't really want this as well. And what I did instead, Emacs web browser, it has like a view here. If you type here EWW, you will find something like view source, or you can press V. So you can basically do view source, or basically if you go back and press V, it will basically take you to the source code. And this is actually what you need, because if you notice, the post is this one, and I need basically these. If I show you, basically I need this part, and this is actually much better because I already have if I copy the UL part, I can go back to my buffer, and basically I'm able to copy the HTML. And of course I could have done it from the browser, but these days browser, of course you have to right click on it and go to view source and then copy, and it's pain, right? And if you're able to open the same thing in Emacs, like actual live page, now of course this is of course much better because you have the link, and you can do few things on it to basically get rid of the stuff that you don't need, but you basically have the hyperlink and the text after it. And I thought I'll probably share it with everyone. Of course nothing extraordinarily that I have done here, but something that you can do to speed up things. in case you are thinking of doing something. I'm sure if you're using Emacs, one day you will be doing something like this. All right, that is it. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Thank you very much. Bye bye.